Cancer, welcome to my channel. Welcome to your new reading. We're still in October, so October vibes continue. It is a general reading, also timeless. For the Cancer Collective, whenever you come across this reading, Cancer, there'll be a message here, there'll be something that resonates. Let's see if we can get you some good advice, some guidance, some messages, some clarity. Whatever it is you need, Cancer. We have 6 tarot cards, a couple of oracles towards the end, which we'll try and interpret for you. Okay, Cancer. There we go. Cups. 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 We got 4 cups. Okay, that's your water element, emotional concerns. King of Cups, male or female. Oh, we have a power couple. The King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Or we have someone who's very male and female, masculine, feminine, balanced. So take that as it resonates. But we could also have a power couple here. The King and the Queen of Cups. Together with the moon. Wow. Yeah, I think we're heading for a new moon, aren't we? Not sure when that is. But, so, standing in your power. King or Queen of Cups. Male or female, these roles can be reversed. The King of Cups is rather careworn, and they both have a little lightning symbol here. With the King, it's on the 3rd eye. The Queen has it there at her root chakra, sacral chakra there. So they're both pretty fired up. King of Cups more mentally, the Queen more physically oriented, but both have their feet in the ocean of emotions, getting their cups filled, their cups of self-love, and they're not exactly looking at each other, they're both looking ahead. The King is rather preoccupied, looking into the distance. The Queen is more in the here and now, not paying much attention to each other here. So, but if it is the case that it's the masculine and feminine balance, then the masculine side is more mentally and intellectually preoccupied, and the feminine side is more physically preoccupied. Physical sensations, sensations of pleasure. And the Queen is a little bit more self-assured, so you may be stronger in your feminine aspect than in your masculine aspects. Whatever they may be, we don't really want to label this here feminine, masculine. We all have feminine, masculine aspects, whatever that is. So the moon, secrets, the subconscious. Subconscious coming to the fore, wanting to come to the fore. Trying to find the secrets. Secrets within, secrets in your situation, on the outside. Wanting to know what makes you tick, what makes the other person tick, or what are your deep down soul desires and passions are, your life's purpose. Yeah, thinking about your life's purpose. Seven of Cups as options, this doors are opening, opportunities, choices, chances, possibilities. Be careful how you make your choice. Use your intellectual capacities to make a rational, a practical choice here. You're going to have to live with the consequences of this decision, so choose wisely. There may be distractions here for you, there may be lures, something that is trying to lure you in and lock you into something. Could be a power struggle between these two, it could be a power struggle within. You have two knights at opposing views, Knight of Swords, the Knight of Cups, the Knight of Swords holding aloft his sword of clarity and truth and honesty and transparency, and it's very determined to clean up something in the past. He's trying to put an end to something that's been going on for too long. And this knight is the Knight of Cups. He's taking his cup of love somewhere. He's not in a hurry. This one is always very determined, very focused, very fast. This one's a little bit slower, off the mark here. Not the slowest knight in the deck, but the second slowest, I think. So and these two knights, they're not seeing eye to eye either. So what's going on here? We have things here going on. People not seeing eye to eye. Now your life's journey, it's like a flowing river, because you are very adaptable, Cancer. You are known to be adaptable. You can adapt to any situation. You can make any home a beautiful sanctuary. You can make gold out of nothing if you only put your mind to it. So that is very much your intuition is flowing. You are living according to your life's purpose. And you're adapting wherever the journey takes you. Now you're being taken to the divine connection here. Blossoming. The lotus opening for you, another river here. So very much in the flow. Holding and opening. Lotus, infinity symbols. The mind, body, spirit connection is very strong for you. So, yeah, these two cards are definitely your destiny. It's what you want to achieve. You want to achieve that flow, being one with the divine, physical, emotional, mental, spiritual peace, inner freedom, inner wisdom, stability, self-love, knowing that you're doing the right thing. So, a lot of court cards. You may have lost support right now. These knights are definitely trying to support you. One is helping you to release the past. This one may bring you a cup of love, so a surprise lover in the offing. Perhaps someone you haven't met yet. They haven't come across with on their steed. They are also travelling the river's journey. Whereas the Knight of Swords is travelling the intellectual journey of the thoughts, and nevertheless connecting to the divine as well, but in a very different way. So don't rush any decisions right now. Stand in your power. There may be confusion. Your solar plexus is connected to your cup of self-love. The cup of self-love of the Queen is still being filled, constantly being filled with new experiences, new wisdom, new knowledge. Very unusual reading for Cancer, I must say. Subconscious trying to break through. There's some sort of mask that you're trying to take off. Trying to find your core beliefs, your middle ground. And all the while going with the flow, connecting to your higher self, expanding that consciousness, expanding that awareness, traveling the river of enlightenment, the flowing river of enlightenment, where you will meet the Knight of Cups. Okay, the Knight of Cups will be younger in years. I don't do a lot of relationship readings, and they don't come up very much when I read, but this is definitely about something in the offing. But being a Cancerian, you may want to put the brakes on, or you may want to take the leap of faith. It's totally up to you. Follow your intuition. That's what I would say to Cancerians. Listen to your hunches, your perceptiveness, your insight, your instinct. You have that inner voice. You have that own guiding light. And you are the king, you are the queen, all rolled in one. You have the energies of the masculine, of the feminine. You are connected to your subconscious. Doesn't mean you can interpret it, but you know it's there. Because once we break into the subconscious, it becomes consciousness, and it's not hidden anymore. So you don't mind things being hidden, because you're quite chilled about the situation. You are furthering your divine connections. You are adapting to your life's journey in your flowing river. Well, Cancer, it's a very interesting time for you, physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Thanks so much for watching. It's been a pleasure reading for you. See you next time. Until then, take very good care. Bye-bye.